गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। अभी जो है हम लोग मेंस का प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट किए थे और क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने का ये 3 महीना का जो हम लोग का टारगेट था टू कंप्लीट ऑल द PYQ ऑफ द मेंस। तो इसमें मैंने पहला क्वेश्चन जो मैंने दिया था टेलीग्राम चैनल पे और कुछ स्टूडेंट ने उसे रिस्पॉन्स के लिखा भी। बट प्रॉब्लम क्या था कि मैंने जो आंसर्स देखे हैं बहुत सारे आंसर्स में जो है केवल वन एस्पेक्ट्स जो ही क्वेश्चंस को एड्रेस किया गया है और कितने आंसर्स में कंक्लूजन सही से नहीं थे और लिटरली एवरी जितने भी स्टूडेंट थे एवरी स्टूडेंट हैज़ मिस दिस पार्ट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया। दे हैड नॉट एड्रेस दिस एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस। तो हम लोग क्या आज देखेंगे शॉर्ट्स में कि कैसे अप्रोच लेना है, कैसे टैकल करना है क्वेश्चंस को और कितने डायमेंशन से हम उसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो द क्वेश्चंस इज एक्सप्लेन द रोल ऑफ ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स टुवर्ड्स द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया। सो हियर वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स और ये ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स जो है कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट किया डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया, तो हमको एक्सप्लेन करना है। तो हम जितने भी एंगल्स से हो सके वी ट्राई टू कवर ऑल दोज एंगल्स। ओके, द फर्स्ट इज ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ट्राई टू डिवाइड द क्वेश्चंस इन डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट। सो फर्स्ट इज ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स, व्हाट आर दोज ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स। सेकेंड इज डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया। ओके, सो ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स it includes physical features, it includes climate, it includes natural resources, and how geographical factors influence our lifestyle, our culture, our civilization, our economic development. Okay, so we write all those things in intro part. After that, once intro is complete, we have to go to the body part and physical features. In physical features, many students have written the mountains, that is good, rivers, plains, desert, that is good. Even few students also have included climate, but many students just written only the physical features and they try to complete the answers and concluded. See, all aspects of geographical features were part of India's development, India's language, India's civilizations, and every aspects of development. Okay, first of all let's see natural barriers. Mountain act as a natural barriers. For example, Himalayas has contributed. First of all, Himalayas protected from external invasion, and after that Himalaya is also crucial to save India from the Siberian cold wind. Okay, apart from that we can also include Western Ghat, role of Western Ghat, how they intercept monsoons. Okay, so this is the role of mountain. Then rivers, we know India is the land of perennial rivers and some peninsular river are also there. So for example, Ganges, Indus, Brahmaputra, these contributed to the fertility of the soil because development of agriculture depend upon the irrigation facilities, and these rivers provide year-round water facility. Okay, then it also help in trade and commerce. You know that Ganga act as a mode of communication. Even in current situation we have inland water transport to harness our water potentials, our drainage system. Okay, and even rivers act as a jal durg, a fort. For example, Magad Empire. Okay, so in this two portion we will write about the mountains and then rivers. Now coming to the plains. So we all know the characteristics of plains. Indo-Gangetic plains, it is a highly population density, it supports high population density. Then we have coastal plain, especially the eastern coastal plain is more suitable for agriculture. Okay, and then we have so plains help in developing agrarian society. Okay, now we have desert is also crucial for the development of unique flora and fauna, lifestyles, cultures. We know we have different Rajasthan culture, Barmer culture. So yes, even great Indian deserts help in development of economy. Now last comes climate, about the geographical features. And in climate, we always, whenever comes to climate, we have to highlight two things. One is rainfall and another is temperature. So here it is monsoon. Monsoons was very crucial for the development of agriculture. Apart for agricultural development, it also helped us our festivals, our cultures. We know that monsoon cycles is influenced our new year pattern. New year's for example 14th April is celebrated all over India in different name. Okay, so these are the development of importance of monsoon. Then we have temperature variation. We have cold desert like Ladakh, Leh and all those things, and then we have hot desert, Rajasthan. Okay, now come to the second part of the questions. This is the second part, development of ancient India. So most of the student who has submitted their answer have missed this part. Okay, how they miss? Because they have just highlighted that the physical features, but their application, the questions was other parts also. There are two parts of the questions. The main emphasis should be given on this part, development of ancient India, the application of geographical features on developing India. Okay, so in development of ancient India, we will go through the economic development, then how economic development has occurred, then we will go to the socio-political development, then we will go to the cultural development. Okay, in economic development, we will go to the agriculture. Okay, agricultures, we have, the rice, cotton, all these things were developed, domesticated in India itself. Okay, first it was developed in India. So because of our climatic factor, geographical factors, that fertile land, or all those, because of all those things, we were developed to become a agricultural nation. Okay, we developed into a urban culture from Neolithic to urban culture. Okay, so after that, trade and commerce. So we go to the trade and commerce. Okay, so in trade and commerce, maritime trade. Okay, we have a civilizational, we have trade link with Mesopotamia. Okay, we have trade link with Roman, we have trade link with Southeast Asian country. So we can go and highlight all those things in how that geographical factor, because we have surplus nation, and out of that surplus nation we able to export those products to these nation country, and so the trade and commerce develop in ancient India because of the geographical factors. Now we have mountain passes. This also help in development of Silk Road. Okay, because these mountain passes, this is also a geographical features, and this help in development of Silk Road. And last, we have socio-political development. In socio-political development, we try to explain about how society develop. Okay, and why political system develop. Okay, so we try to highlight those things. Then these answers will become more broadened, more complete. Okay, for example, our Mauryan Empire developed, Gupta Empire developed. How they developed? Because of the development in economic. Okay, because of geographical conduciveness, these empire developed. Then we have urbanization. We have urbanization in two phases. First urbanization was in during the Indus Valley civilization, and then we have urbanization during the Mahajanpada periods. Okay, 600 BC. Okay, now we are going to talk about cultural development. In culture, everything that are associated with our lifestyles. Okay, like religion and philosophy. In philosophy, like Upanishad, you can mention about Upanishad. You can mention that 6 philosophy of Nyaya, Sankhya, Vedanta, and all those things. Okay, and religions, you can also mention about that Jainism, Buddhism, Hinduism, and how they evolve and how they transform themselves. Okay, and for example, then we have to mention about art and architectures. You can mention about Ellora, Ajanta, Kailasnath, and different types of temple architectures. Okay, during the Gupta period, you can mention all those things. Okay, even the contribution of the Pala Empire you can mention. Then we have religious development. See, in religious development, again already I have discussed that we have Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism. Just write in one point. Try to complete all these points, okay, in short form. And after that we just write conclusion on how pivotal played role, geographical factors played in development of oldest civilization in the world. Or we can conclude in this sentence also, profound philosophy to majestic art and culture. Anything like this you can mention. Okay, so in this way the answer will be complete. Many answer I have checked, they have attempted, but their flows are good, but they are not able to address the all aspects of the questions. Okay, and I have one homework for all of you, whoever trying to attempt the questions. The session is free. Please try to write within the target is to complete the PYQ within this 3 months, and it will help you for your next mains examination, those who are not appearing for mains this year. Okay, I will try to be more regular. Just I have certain prior work that I am not able to make this video. Now onwards I will try to be more consistent. Okay, now one homework is this: examine the role of geography in the development of religious architecture with example. See that the PYQ, how the PYQ influence your preparations. Okay, so these questions are more or less related with the PYQ. Okay, so if you address those things, then you can also address these questions. Okay, try to write these questions. Examine the role of geography in the development of religious architecture with examples. Okay, thanks. See you soon.